Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing great. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about my jewelry collection. I can't show you my whole jewelry because I have tons and tons of them because I use them for shoots as well. So in today's video, I'm showing you only few pieces from random stores so that you'll have an idea where I basically shop them from. And maybe I'll do a part 2 of jewelry collection for neck pieces and other random stuff as well. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first piece I'm going to show you are these beautiful jhumkas. I bought them from Amazon. So these looks a bit heavy when you see them, but they're not actually really heavy. So they are manageable. You can wear them for some time maybe, but they're very statement. If you have a lot of patience, Amazon is the place. You can have very beautiful jewelry, but you need time and patience to search for them. Okay, the second piece I'm going to show you are these beautiful earrings. These are from Tribe by Amrapali. I think it's been like 4 years maybe. They're still so beautiful and nice. I like the line, silver line from Amrapali. They're so pretty. And next are these beautiful pink earrings. These are again from Amazon. Like I told you, you need patience. And also prices are very reasonable, like a street shopping. And basically, I like to add a pop of color to every look that I style. So mostly with the earrings because I pick neutral colors for the outfit, and I like to give a little pop of color with earrings, or sometimes bindi, sometimes nail paint, sometimes bags. So I buy a lot of earrings with color in it. So these are my favorite, and the next one is also my favorite with these. Very beautiful. So I bought them from Ajio. So again, this is another place that you get awesome silver jewelry. So all this jewelry I bought like very long time. In couple of months I haven't shopped anything because I already have a lot of jewelry with me. So I wanted to discard them or use them and then buy a new set of jewelry. So I don't know the prices. I don't really remember the prices, so but I know the place, it's Ajio. So you might not get the same piece, but you will definitely have a lot of amazing stuff from Ajio. Okay, so the next piece is this very cute earrings, very lightweight, and these are from Voila. I think I bought them from the store from Galleria Mall in Panchagutta. Very lightweight, and they have very beautiful silver jewelry as well. Okay, next one are these beautiful earrings, my favorite. Okay, again these are from Ajio. So as I told you, you will have beautiful collection from Ajio. You just need patience. And the next one are these Ghungru earrings. I love them. So again, these are from Amazon. Very lightweight, and prices are reasonable. I don't remember the prices and I can't give you the links because it's been really long. And the next are this, and I bought them from Shoppers Stop from Vizag. I went for a shoot there and I bought them from that store. I don't know if they're available here or now, but it's been quite a few months I bought them. Shoppers Stop also have very beautiful jewelry, and this is another piece that I bought from Shoppers Stop, and this is from Hyderabad Shoppers Stop only. So very pretty pieces. You will have very pretty pieces. And the next one are these. Just a second guys. Okay, fine. So these are from Street Shopping, KPHB Street Shopping. I bought them for like 50 bucks or 60. I really don't remember the price, but they're very cheap. And the next are these. Again, these are street shopping finds again. Very pretty pieces. I bought them from Mumbai Street Shopping. And this very beautiful piece, very lightweight and gives a lot of detail for your look. So again, these are from Ajio. And again, as I told you, I buy a lot of colored earrings. These are very pretty pieces. I bought them from Myntra. I don't remember the designer's name, but these are from Myntra. So the next piece I'm going to show you are these beautiful earrings. I bought them from, I think, Shoppers Stop. And the next one are these hoops. I am obsessed with hoops. I have lots and lots of hoop earrings, and the one right here is from H&M. They are little thick and very light in weight. So pretty. And the next one are these beautiful pieces. They're very light in weight and very beautiful finish they have. So these are from Fab India, and Fab India is another place for beautiful earrings, not just earrings, any other stuff. Okay, so the next ones are this. These are from Fab India again, very beautiful jhumkas. And the next earrings that I'm going to show you are these. Very pretty pieces. I bought them from H&M. These are from H&M again. Pearl earrings, very pretty pieces. I bought them from Shein. Okay, that's it for earrings. Now I'm going to show you finger rings. So this one right here, I bought this from West Side, and this one also from West Side, very beautiful. And this one from Ajio. And another one that I'm going to show you is this piece. This piece from Tribe by Amrapali. Very beautiful. And another piece that I'm going to show is this. This is from Shein. I don't remember where I bought this, but this is very beautiful. I think I bought this from Myntra. And the next one is this. It makes little sound. I love it. So I bought this from Voila, next Kileria Mall. And I think this is also from West Side. I really don't remember where I bought it. This is from West Side. So basically, I shop more from Ajio, Shein, H&M, Street Shopping, Fab India, Tribe by Amrapali. And I buy a lot of stuff from these stores. So that's it, guys. I have like a lot of other jewelry too. If you are interested, I'll make a part 2 of the jewelry collection. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.